Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we reviewed this unit by Blank Hair. So if you want to see that, keep on watching.
And that's also.
Okay, so today this unit was sent to me by Kriyya Hair. Oh, let me turn my fan off. It's a little loud, little vocal. This was sent to me by Kriyya Hair, I believe is how you say it. I'm so sorry. I really don't want to mispronounce their name. I'm so terrible with these names. But this is the unit. I was like struggling to get myself together right here. But the hair looked really nice and like luscious and like shiny and nice here. I don't know. I really don't know how I didn't catch the lace issue early on. Like, I don't know how I didn't notice that here. Nothing. Like, I didn't even look at the difference from my wig head and the lace. Like, I should have known right there off rip, but I didn't pay enough attention. Here's me putting the bleach mixture on. I definitely over bleached per usual. Put way too much. There was way too much going on in that category. It was way too, I think it was too much on top of it being too liquidy. I also did one the other day that was was too dry, so I'm really still trying to find that in between, because I don't do any measurements at all. I literally just toss it in there until I feel like it's mixed. I don't know. But yeah, this was just me bleaching it. This hair wasn't necessarily bad. The lace was just entirely too dark for me or my sister. But I want to say if this was like transparent lace or something, I want to say this would have went better. And I also learned that I guess when you want like a good bob, you want to get it in a longer length with companies and then cut it. It was cut like really kind of like uneven. But the hair in itself wasn't bad. It was really like the lace that posed the biggest issue for me. So let's start with our cat.
Stop. This is why I didn't want to do my makeup. That's why when you asked me, because you were like, are you going to do your makeup? I was like, no, you're just going to ruin it.
Ball cap today.
Why?
We're going to see how it looks without it first.
This is
ball cap is what I did yesterday. Okay.
Oh, short black. Cute.
Not too acting surprised. Look, if I leave it like that. I think this
Where's
is
the
what
itch?
We're going to do today.
Where's the itch?
Where to start your forehead.
Short hair makes you look older.
You're not concerned about how far forward I just put that on your forehead?
I always didn't realize.
I was just kidding.
Yeah,
I'm gonna cut it first today.
Mm-hmm.
So today we are gonna cut it first before installing, just because I've been testing this out. So let's do that. Honestly, I have no idea how I did not realize how dark this was at this moment. Like, I didn't even peep, but this lace was really dark. It was really dark and gray, and I really just didn't even catch it. Like, you can see right here that this was not gonna blend with her at all, and me and her are not that far off in skin color. She's a little lighter than me, but this also wouldn't have matched blended with me either. I should have noticed when it didn't blend with my wig head in the beginning. Like, you can clearly see there that it's also just, it's too dark for my wig head, and I just really didn't even catch it. Oh, here we go. I didn't even catch it, and it looked so ridiculous. Y'all are gonna see soon. So I guess the wig wasn't necessarily bad. It just, the lace was just not matching us. But I don't think the wig was bad. Like, the hair wasn't bad or anything. Okay, so I'm seeing right here already that the lace is a little dark, because I can see that really clearly. Moving forward, I think I'm gonna have to make it a point to companies that I just can't accept the gray lace, because it's just not easy to install. Like, I don't know how these other girlies get it done, but I am not them. I am not the wig expert that they just are. So I'm just gonna sing for y'all, because I'm just blow drying. What do y'all think about me doing installs on my sister more often? I am moving, granted, so I'll just be doing them. They won't be as frequent, because she's not going to be living with me. But what do you guys think about that? Like, would you like to see me do them on her more often, or was this like not it for y'all? I think it was kind of fun. Like, it's helping me learn how to do stuff on other people. I feel like I get really scared with, like, being, like, really confident on doing stuff on myself. And then when it comes to doing it for someone else, I'll be like... So I feel like this is helping me a lot. But I also want to know what you guys think. Like, I thought it was, like, a little fun. You know, she never wears anything like this. She does crochet and calls it a day. And that's her hair routine right there. That's just her. That's what she does. That's how she does it. Yep, here we go. I said I was gonna sing for y'all, and I didn't sing not a lick of a song. It's crazy how people just lie.
I always hated hairstyles that would push back. You know what I mean?
That's how all wigs look when you first put them on.
You're like,
Okay, Rick, stop moving your head back. Why are you doing that?
I don't know.
Yeah, see how dark that is? I had attempt bangs with this today because this is just way too dark. You can clearly see we're gonna take our lotta body and just try to flatten back here as much as possible. But we are gonna attempt bangs, so let me just take out what we're gonna...
The bang.
Looks like the hair is... Oh, wait. You know, we're not doing bangs.
You just went hat.
We're not gonna do the bangs today. We're just gonna do the best we can with what we were given. So we're just gonna try straightening it. Lace.
The bang. This one looks better.
This flat iron is really easy. Not you having to hold it. The hair flat irons really well though. We're gonna go for that Lord Farquaad look today.
No.
Just because
it's like this side is totally different. You see it?
Yeah.
This is like thicker. That's thinner. My scalp is just, you know, it's always been this color or something.
Exactly. I remember it being like that when you were a baby. It's cute.
Challan. It is.
Stop. So, this is good.
This is a French look?
Yes. You don't love it? Do a little shake for me. Do a little shake for me. Do a little shake for me.
Oh,
Yes.
Michael Jackson.
Do a little shake for me. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yes, that looks so good. Do a little ear tuck. You were about to.
That's that thing they
Do a little ear tuck. Yes, girl. Yeah.
It's okay. Good thing my ears are small.
Yeah, man.
I look like a scared boy.
Yeah, man. That looks... Nope. So I think we're just gonna call this the style of the day.
Yeah.
We're just gonna call this the style for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, leave comments, turn on notifications, do all that good stuff. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.